Yes, today we're working in a converted funeral home. We've got a very simple PA set up in this dining room, don't know what it used to be, and a somewhat larger system in the chapel room. So join me, your sound guy for the night, as I set up and run sound at the funeral home turned event space. Close this up.
Is this going on the webpage? Can you make it?
Yeah, I can get in there. Okay. We'll just see where we're going first.
All right, let's go down here. Well, no, but it's a single.
That's okay.
Roll down the hall and come in here. I think.
Is this TV going to be here?
I don't know if they're moving it out or not. I know the podium's going to come down because we've got a speaker, but
I was just thinking putting just right here, you know. These are nice. They're spring loaded. All right, so you think this way?
you guys see the dining room?
Yeah. Is that where we're?
Sorry.
No, we're good. You're good.
I didn't take you in there.
I think we're gonna put our gear in this side, if that's okay. All right, let's get some lights in here. Yeah, there's plenty of power. This is staying here?
Yes.
All right.
They're putting on a football film.
Oh, truck, yeah.
Maybe they won the state or something.
Old football highlights.
I saw you the other night. You look different tonight.
I'm not sure that a center cluster inside a place like this is really gonna matter anyways. This wasn't the original plan, but it'll work. All right.
Oh, don't you think about me?
I'll give you a power drop for it, hopefully. I'm glad I brought all of these IEC cables.
Is there an outlet there?
Yeah.
Nice.
What happens is a jazz chapel stays as a jazz chapel. You get that time.
My favorite thing I've done.
You're like, I love my quad boxes.
Yeah, I don't know why I didn't bring them.
I forgot we used these like this at the Skinny Armadillo last week.
Yeah, same thing. And main left. Little jumper cable to the sub. Daisy chain the subs. People are already kind of walking around in here. don't know where I should put this. Probably just end up putting them both over here. I don't know where to put it where it would be most out of the way and nobody will see it, and for it to look the best and still work. You know, you can put it anywhere. I think it works just fine, yeah.
Okay.
We're all good.
I'm where we have no fan.
Is there air conditioning in here?
Oh yeah, I got
Okay.
it.
Yeah. Check 1, 2, hey. Hey. Check. Still got that other thing to set up, right?
Yes. I'm gonna have him share the playlist with me too.
Okay.
Just that way we've got it in a few different places.
You want to start your stuff on? See what it sounds like? You want to hook it up?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it. Forgot plugged in. We're gonna plug in their TV. Show me where the other room is.
Yep.
You want to put it over here?
And this is there's less people that are gonna trip on it coming through a door.
Yeah.
That's what I was worried about.
Speeches are gonna be given. What is this? Holy crap! Does this work? Just away from the podium.
Yeah.
Trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this. I just need one. Yeah. That's covering like one table if it's just shooting this way. I also have no idea when they're gonna clean all this up in here. There's just really no good place to put this. We're gonna have to put this here. It's an interesting room. I don't know. You know, this being like a funeral home, like it makes me wonder, like
What they didn't hear?
what they did in here and why is there electricity every 5 feet? Like what equipment were they using?
I think the venue is really cool.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, this gig's pretty easy.
I think we've really lucked out lately with like nice people.
Yeah.
Also much easier square to load in on.
Oh, yeah, way easier. There's no traffic.
Yeah.
Yeah. Check 1, 2, hey. Hey, 1, 2.
Yeah, no, I can hear you just fine.
There's enough of it bouncing around for it to work just fine.
Oh, no, it's plenty loud.
Safety first.
Let's be lovers tonight and count the stars in our eyes.
Excuse me, I'm gonna squeeze through here.
Discover how they
I guess I'm just gonna sit here all night, run the board.
let's be lovers
I would like to
tonight.
thank you all for coming tonight. We are so delighted to see so many of our classmates turn out for this 50th anniversary event. We are going to be talking about
lovers
My
tonight.
hat.
And count the stars in our eyes. Discover how they align. Let's be lovers tonight. Forever, you and I. Let's be lovers tonight.